In primetime news this evening, election fallout. PNP cuts staff in redundancy exercise following defeat at the polls. It's your fault. Lucy Mayor being blamed for PNP's loss in Western Hanover. Mayor threatens legal action over allegations. And later, JTA reiterates call for better salary and working conditions for teachers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the new cabinet announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.